Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, Friday. About time, isn't it? Okay, so I know it was a short week, anyways. We didn't have class on Monday, but I'm still looking forward to Friday. Today, we will be working on really just one part. Okay, for those of you who are caught up on absolutely everything, just the one assignment today. And that is Module 7, the culminating assignment. It is the only thing you're working on today, but you'll take a look and see that it is a little bit more in depth than some of the other assignments. Let's get into it. Okay, Module 7, and we're going to the culminating. So, what you are going to be doing today, you are going to be looking up one specific individual, a Canadian activist, who has been doing stuff in their own right. Click here to do the assignment. We will do that in a few seconds. Oh, you got to do that in order to get into it. Make a copy. Okay. So you're going to choose one of these, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, 10. One of these 10, okay? And just one of the 10. I don't want you taking off somebody else. I'm sure that there's other people out there who deserve to be on this list, but we are looking at just these 10 people. So you're going to choose one of these people, and you're going to talk about what they have done for Canada. Okay? This is the organizer that you are going to be filling in. You are going to be talking about what problem challenge did they do, the evidence that you have to back that up. Why did they take this action? The steps that they have done in order to do things. Did they succeed? Yes or no? How? If they did not succeed, what happened to give them any roadblocks? Did they do anything to overcome those roadblocks? Are they still in the middle of doing things? Whatever your case is. And do they deserve the special recognition? Probably, if they're one of the 10, then they do deserve the recognition, but I want your explanation. These are not one-word answer questions, okay? In this, it's worth 100 marks. I'm expecting to see some decent paragraphs. That means proper writing structure. That means that I want to see paragraph structure, capitals where they belong. That's something that a lot of you are having issues with, and you're getting marked down for it. Silly way to lose some marks. Make sure that you take care of it. But it is worth 100 marks. This is basically the only assignment you've got today. Take your time, do it properly. Okay. After that, we are going to take a look. Oh, what happened? I need to get back to the announcements. Announcements. Okay. So after that, take a look back through the grades. Is there anything that you're missing? Anything that you did not pass, which is anything below a 50? Then you need to get that in. You need to get those grades up. If it was below a 50, you've probably been told to redo the assignment and get it done. Make sure you're looking at your comments to see what it is that you did wrong. A couple of you have come up with some ideas that I've said you have to do a little bit more research on it. A couple have, and the work that they have turned in is fantastic. For some of you, that still needs to be done. Okay, you're coming up with theories based on hearsay, based on ideas that you've heard other people talk about. They're urban legends, some of them. They do not have any place in Canadian society. That's the other thing. Make sure that they are Canadian topics. Okay. If you have finished everything, you've got all your assignments in, you've got all your grades going, you are happy with what's going on, I have the culminating assignment open and ready for you. You can take a look at it. Just click on there, and you will say the culminating action or culminating assignment, and that is for you to take a stand. Okay. I'm not expecting you to actually go out and do these things. It's basically, you're talking about, where are we here? Two parts of the final project: plan of action and your reflection. Plan of action is one assignment. Reflection is another assignment. This one, I would like you to hold off until Thursday. Wait for your reflection until Thursday. Okay. What happened there? You'll be using specific Google Slides. And in order to do that, okay, you've got the layouts. You'll see that in a few seconds. Be organized, collect the information, be proper about it. Be visual. Let's get rid of that. Be informative. Be persuasive. Remember, you want to prove to me why people should be worrying about this topic that you've chosen. Okay? The specific reasons why your issue is important, that should be included. Persuasive language, proper language. We have gone through the whole thing about how to write a memo properly. Make sure your wording is proper here as well. And details on how to bring about this change. Don't just tell me that we need to work on the environment and we need to stop pollution. How can we do that? I need some details. I need some examples from you. Okay, the action plan, you can click here and it will bring you to it. I'm not going to worry about this stuff. You can read that yourself. And this gives you the template of what it is that you have to do. Now, first thing you do, make a copy. Entire presentation, okay? So one more time, we go through that. Go to File, go to Make a Copy, Entire Presentation. That will let you edit your assignment. And when you go to hand it in, make sure that you share or open up the settings so that add people to the link, add me to the link. I can't mark it if I can't see it. Okay. Let's see, civic issue that I investigated was, and your information. After that, why I care about my civic issue. Put in a couple of pictures. Make it something that's going to be interesting to me, okay? Make sure that you're not just going 1 or 2 words here. Don't just copy and paste the assignments that you've done in the past. Make sure that you are putting in what you had before, but fix it up. Make it better. Why should this community care about my civic issue? Again, pictures, details, examples. Use stuff from the course, things that we've learned about. Some try that one again, effective strategies to improve my civic issue. Number 5, how could these strategies create change? And that is pretty much all the slides that they have set up for you. That doesn't mean that's all the slides that you can do. Best assignments will be probably going into slide 7, slide 8. If you hit 10, you've gone too far. I'm going to stop after 10, okay? The first 5 are the givens. That will give you a passing mark in the assignment if you do it properly. If you want to get the better marks, you want to go a little bit higher, okay? As I said, once you hit 10, I'm not looking at it anymore, though. No, we're going back here. Yes, this assignment isn't due until Tuesday. Don't stress on it. I'm just giving you guys the option. If you want to work on it over the weekend, if you want to get things going, that's fine. It's not due until Tuesday. Okay. But Monday morning, I will be having a special meeting at 10 a.m. on the Teams meeting so that we can talk about it. Hopefully some of you will go through and take a look at it over the weekend, get some ideas, get things ready. And Monday will be a chance for me to talk through it with you. I will get into it a little bit more detail, and that will be the video for Monday. If you're not able to make it Monday morning because of work or whatever, not a problem. I'll post the video afterwards. Okay? Let's see. Yes. Only the Module 7 culminating activity is due today. The taking action course culminating is not due today. Again, that's due on Tuesday. Okay, I think that is pretty much everything. Yeah, so Wednesday we start the careers section. We will have another meeting on Wednesday morning, first thing in the morning, and that's just really going through the course, making sure that you guys have everything ready to go and answer any questions at that point. Okay, that will be another meeting, and if you can make it, fantastic. I recommend that you do. That way you can ask any questions. If you can't, not a problem. I'll post the video at the end. Okay. If you have any questions, please pop into my live chat. And if not, get to work. Have a good day, guys.